All right, so we got the gas caps. This is the original with the car I just bought. Just got it a month ago. And then here's the brand new one. There's the part number. So I'll show you the difference. I was getting a check engine light and it was an evaporator issue. So for this guy, see if I can set it up. He should be springing up and down. And then this seal right here, you see how there's a crack? There's some space in there. So, and there, it doesn't jump up at all. Should be springy. This guy, however, so you can see how it springs a little bit, and then also there is no space in between there. You can see when I press down, it's springing. So that's what it should do. So I'll show you now what how it's different on the car and how it behaves with each. So this is what it was like originally when I put the cap on. So I'd come in, I'd tighten it 3 clicks, and then you can see I'm barely gonna use any pressure. And I mean, there's nothing holding it on. So as you're driving, it can loosen it around. So I mean, so yeah, just barely. So obviously it's not doing its job. That seal's worn out. So here's the other cap, brand new one I just picked up for 30 bucks. And so I'll do it 3 times, right? And as I'm coming around, you can see it springs back. And to get it all the way off, I've got to go all the way here, and then it'll release. And so that should get rid of the issue.